To study about the animal interaction. Already studied. In population interaction, there are different types of interaction like competition, that is the interaction between the population 1 or the population 2. It's shown by, or it is indicated by the sign that is minus minus, means both species or the population negatively affected. Now the prey population predation, that is prey population and predator population is there. In that this indicated by interaction is indicated by plus and the minus sign. So the predator is positively affected but prey is negatively affected. Now the next interaction is mutualism. So population 1 in a mutualism and in a population 2, or the species 1 and the species 2 in a mutualism, both are benefited. So it is indicated by the plus sign. Now the commensalism, that is commensalism in this interaction, so one shows the positive, another shows the 0. So the wild beast and the gazelles, the population 1 and the population 2, here the first one species or the population 1 is positively affected and another is not affected or not harmed. Now amensalism, again amensalism, that shows the population 1 0 and population 2 plus. So here again the one species is negatively not negatively affected, not get harm, not get benefit, and another gets benefited. So these are the different type of animal interaction we already studied in the population interaction topic, right? Now there are mainly two interactions, that is competitive interaction. The two or more species compete for the same resources. As we know that the competition for the same resources, and that's why the both species that is negatively affected. So competition, that is competition between the two or more species, that is same or the different species. The species consume the same resources but do not directly interact with each other but affect each other by reducing the availability of resources. Example, lion and hyenas that feed on the same prey and they negatively affect each other. This is the one example. Now the second one is consumer resource interaction. In this interaction, individual from one species feed on the individual from the another species, that is prey predator relationship. So one is benefited, another one is negatively affected. So in this type of interaction, positive impact on the consumer species and the negative impact on the resource species. So first example is lion when feed on the zebras. So the zebras are negatively affected, or zebra is negatively affected when the zebras feed on the grass. So the grass negatively affected, right? So zebra is a resource in the first example, and the second example zebra is a consumer.